All right, guys, we're here at the RK Smoky Grill. We're gonna get some barbecue here in Valley Bago. Can't wait.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Here's the crew. Fat Drake's on station with us. Here's Denise, she's ready to eat some barbecue. Everybody's coming in, it's full. It is full. Look at this. Oh, what do we got going on over here? Check this cat out.
This guy, it's like a Colonel Sanders' cousin.
Right?
I really don't know what to make of that.
Colonel Sanders' cousin.
Tattoos.
He does, yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Here's the kitchen over here. Check it out. We got it going on back here in the smokers. Got this meat smoking back here. Check it out, man. How you doing? Got it going on. Can't wait. Can't wait. Looks good. All right, we're in this place, RK here. It looks good. Here comes the menu. We got a lot of people in here enjoying the food here at RK Smoky Bar and Resto. Cool. Take a look at this menu. What do they got going on here? Everything. Tacos too. Quesadillas, baby. There we go. Nice. I've got one over here too. I'll steal Mark's. Got premium meats, pork, smoked chicken, steaks. Brazilian steaks, Brazilian ribeye. They do have the platters. Burgers. Wow, it looks good. I'm hungry too. Oh, there's a nice menu. Check that out. Smokies. Got some really delicious looking platters here. Platter tier 1, tier 2, 3 and 4. Smoked sausages. I like that big dinosaur rib on there, man. They got a dino rib. Check that out. Smoked dinosaur rib.
Well, some of them they're really loud. Sometimes I'm on my bed and in my ear,
Me too, I'm washing the dishes.
Everybody's talking about the bug killer here. These girls got some nice drinks here. Check it out.
Cheers, my friend.
Mine is mango.
You got a mango?
Strawberry mango.
You got strawberry? And what'd you
I
get?
have 4 seasons, right?
4 Seasons. Now these are non-alcoholic drinks, I take it. Just fruit drinks. They are very scrumptious looking. Yep, very healthy. All right, we got some fried okra here, guys. Look at that. That looks really good. I'll have to try one of these. So everybody agrees the okra is much better with the aioli sauce. Try it out, Drake. You're not a saucer.
You know me.
Oh, come on, man. It's aioli. Let me try.
Yep, that's all.
I gotta give it a try. That's all on me, huh? All right, here we go. Let's try it with the sauce. Better. Garlic.
Yeah.
So here we have some onion rings that just arrived, and we just noticed they're made out of red onions because nobody can find yellow onions right now. So I'm curious to taste a red onion ring. Look at that, red onions. Let's see what the red onion ring's about. Let's see what's going on. It's pretty tasty. I like the batter. Need some aioli on here. Try one with aioli. Is that the same?
Batter has a different taste. That's not the same batter.
No? Garlic. The garlic aioli is good. Love it.
That's yours. I have.
Oh, you're saving the rest for me?
Yeah.
Nice of you to share. All right, we got quesadillas in here now. Look at this. What do we got? Oh, was this coleslaw? Look how big that coleslaw is. That's supposed to be 1 serving. And then we got a quesadilla. What's in the quesadilla? What'd you get? Chicken?
No, pulled pork.
Pulled pork quesadilla. Oh, wow, that looks great. Little pico de gallo with it, it looks like. Let's see what's inside. Break it apart. Let's see what it's all about. Oh, that looks pretty damn good. That looks like that might be good in my belly. We're gonna try this pulled pork quesadilla, man. Look at this. Mercy already took a bite of it though. What do you think about the quesadilla? Yeah? So I got my coleslaw. Nice. Check it out. Quesadilla pulled pork version. Man, here's my marbled Cajun potatoes. All the food just keeps coming out, guys. Cajun marbled potatoes. These look good. Got the coleslaw. This coleslaw looks different than that coleslaw. A little bit. That has more red cabbage in it.
That means
Take a stab on one of those, Drake. Stab one of those taters and you let me know what you think about them.
salt, because I know you like salt.
They're supposed to be Cajuns. Supposed to be Cajun spiced.
Cajun spice.
You see what's going on. Make sure I don't have to edit this.
Oh, that is a unique spice.
Yeah,
That is, it's got some heat to it.
that's got some heat. That's what I like to hear. Let me dig in. Let me dig into one of these spicy taters here. Oh my goodness. I love it. Right off the bat. Right off the bat, that's a wow item. It's right there. I love it. I love the sauce. Whatever they're putting on there. Very good.
This quesadilla, look at the char on that.
Yeah, that's
Cheese coming off. It tastes like a grilled cheese.
grilled cheese with
That
pulled pork in
on
it.
Man, delicious.
It is so far a very pleasurable experience here at the old RK Smoky Bar and Resto. They got the house packed too. They got a lot of people. A lot of people left already. Big parties here. Birthday party going on. They got a good thing going on here in Valley Bago. This coleslaw, guys, very good. Good slaw. It's all about the dressing in your coleslaw. And they hit it on the nose with the dressing. All right, it's shout out time.
You know what,
Here's
Poppy?
Papa.
Yeah, you know what, Poppy? This is a great meal. But what would make it better is if Baby Adeline was here with me right now. Baby Adeline, you are missing out on some good food. Papa loves you. He'll see you soon. And love you.
Everybody say hi to baby Adeline. Uh-oh, you got some more food coming now. Corn.
Corn, oh my God.
Look at that corn.
Oh my God.
Mark's going to give you a little review on this corn while I'm crunching my slaw.
It is, I love corn, and I can always tell the difference between frozen corn and fresh corn. Let's see.
Where do you think they got that? Did they acquire that locally or what?
No, this is imported from cornhub.com.
Oh,
I've had
Cornhub.
this before.
You've had it before?
I've had this before.
It's a familiar flavor, huh?
It's cornhub.com. You can go on there, tell them Fat Drake sent you. You'll get 10% off. But no, that's fresh corn. It's not frozen.
That's some good stuff.
2 thumbs up.
But yeah, delicious, guys. So far, we haven't even got to the meat yet. We even got to the meats. We've been eating soup, veggies, finger foods, okra, onion rings. Hey man, we do it right when we go out. I tell you, we eat it all. Just bring me the whole menu. Wow, we're just getting loaded down. Denise got a brisket and rice meal, more slaw that she likes, and some barbecue sauce. That looks good. Dig in, girl. And we got dirty rice over here. Did you order dirty rice? So here's your dirty rice. It looks dirty. You're looking dirty. That's the Java rice. So they got 2 different rices: Java rice, dirty rice.
You want to try that dirty one?
We'll try a dirty one. I always like the dirty ones. Gotta love the dirty ones, not the Java ones. That's what Drake's got, some dirty rice.
Yeah, I got some dirty rice. It's good, really good.
All right, guys, we got our meat. We got meat out here. Mercy was getting hangry. Yeah, we got some gravy, got some bread, we got some pulled pork, got some brisket, sausage, chicken. Take your pick. Take your pick, guys. Start digging in.
All right.
You're gonna go straight for that sausage. I know it.
I know. Yeah.
Make yourself a pulled pork sandwich. Oh, I got some Java rice dropped on me. We got dirty rice still. All right, guys, we have just about done all we could do to this food. We didn't even touch the chicken, but I did taste a little piece of it. It has some good flavor. Nice, everything's nice and smoky. We did a great job. Drake here, he's going to take a to-go plate. He's got his ready to go.
Yeah, that's midnight snack.
Midnight snack. Good place out here, RK Smoky Grill, guys. You've got to come out here to Balabago, try it out. It's like between MacArthur and going to Marquee Mall. I'll put a map at the end of the video so you know where it's at.
Come and join us to taste the Texas barbecue in Angeles, Pampanga. Kindly check our page, RK Smoky, at FB, Instagram, TikTok. You can look our menus there. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Yep, very good food, guys. Yeah, and here's the chef, everybody. There's the chef. I heard you. What's the RK? What's it stand for?
RK means Rachel, my girlfriend, and me, Chris.
Oh,
Ray.
Rachel and Chris.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so that's what it is. Rachel, Chris.
Too smoky, to what do you call this? To give mark on the people.
Right.
Like it's not normal smoky.
Yeah.
It's always smoke, right?
It's very good, guys. They're saying they've got a little resort back here too. So this is interesting. You walk in behind the restaurant, and we got a little little hidden getaway. Look at that! What a pool, man! That is nice. Beautiful. You got a little hot tub jacuzzi over here in the corner. Nice. And then you just have all the barbecue brought right out.
Yeah.
I like the pool, man. That's a very nice pool. Oh, you got another smoker in the corner for a grill. Very cool. I like it. Yeah, right? This is a nice little weekend getaway place. All right, so there's 2 rooms here available. $15K a night. What a nice pool, though, I tell you. And then there's a little common lounge area here for the room, so you can hang out. Oh, we got a karaoke system in here. All right. Take a look at the room.
Look at how cool. Oh, wow.
Let's see what the rooms look like.
Yeah, it's like an industrial finish.
Right?
It's a cheap one.
That's all you need.
Wow.
Very unique. Yep.
Akala mo hindi siya natapos pero ang galing.
You got extra bedding in the floor here, just in case. In the bathroom, real quick, Denise is in here doing her makeup. All right, very cool. In the little swing, yeah.
It's like 4.7. This is the lounge.
Yep, little lounge area here. You got a couple tables, karaoke, TV, got a fridge. Good idea.
Thank you.
I'm surprised you don't live here. You should just live in here.
Business side first.
Business comes first, right?
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us on the video. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all your good comments. We'll see you on the next video.
See ya.
See ya!